What have we got here? What's going on out here? A birdie, eh? What? He's what?
Biting me again.
Do you think he's biting you, or do you think he's just holding on to you?
Biting me.
Oh, I don't think he's biting you.
Yeah, see what happens to
Put it in the
these
cage.
games are in like demos.
Oh, if you want to put him in the cage, but I don't think he likes it too much. Nah, he says, I don't want to go in the cage.
Stop.
Be gentle.
I want to get rid of this game.
Quiet and calm and gentle. Everyone alright? Turn around and face me.
Stop, stop, stop,
I
stop.
wanna.
Stop.
I want you to get rid of it. No.
Oh,
That's not.
never mind. He's had enough of your shoulder now. He wants to go
Please stop
and
pushing it.
eat some grass. Is that okay? What? Don't chase him. If he doesn't want to be picked up, you don't chase him, alright? You sit down on the lawn and maybe he'll come and sit with you.
I have to get rid of it.
But don't chase him around.
Because the reason they're free is because they give you demos. What?
Dad,